The Access Pac Universal Emergency Spill Kit is a cost-effective spill control solution. The Universal Access Pac comes in a highly visible, color-coded package, yellow for Universal and blue for Oil-selective. The Universal Kit is packed with 15 universal absorbent pads, 1 extra large disposal bag, 1 pair of chemical-resistant gloves, 1 zip tie, and 3 polypropylene sorb socks. The Access Pac contains up to a 7-gallon spill, covering up to 30 square feet. Call us today for more information about the Access Pac and other Andax spill containment products. If you like this video and are new to our channel, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications when we upload new videos.